Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Hazy Code. Today in this video we are going to learn how you can send data from first activity to second activity or your current activity to another activity. So for this, let us set our user interface. So for this, what we need here is an edit text. Let's set it up. And we will give this edit text a hint. Enter text here, and we will give this edit text AID of edit text. And on our second activity, all we need is just a text view which will show the text that will receive on our button click event from first activity. So our user interface is ready, and what we need to do is backend coding in our Java file. So keep in mind that this code, this portion is the on button click listener of our user interface. When you will hit the button, this area will work. So whatever action you want to do on your button click, just put those codes inside this on click area. So let's take an intent. And we already have created this intent. We will put this here. And what we need is intent with put extra. This will take our two parameters from our code. First will be your name, and for example I'm giving it a name of A, okay, and the second parameter will be your value. You can put any kind of value like string, character or integer. So for now we will take string, and right now we are working with our edit text, and we have given edit text an ID that is edit text. So our binding will have a name of edit text, will be edit text. Okay, and get text to string, and that's it. And put this intent inside start activity, otherwise nothing will happen. So here our code finishes, and on our second activity's Java file we need to receive this value. So for this, first we need to set this binding activity to binding, get layout inflator, and binding.root, get root. Okay, so in our second activities interface, what we have given the ID is text view 4. I'm removing the 4 and putting it as only text view. Okay, I'm just naming it as demo text. Here you can see so binding dot demo text dot set text, and inside the set text we need to provide value. So for this, at first we need an intent get intent, intent dot get string extra, and here we need to provide that name that we are given in our first activity, that is A. So that's it, and now we can run our code. So now here, when I will type something here like, hey, this is developer here, I'm just typing some random text, and when I will click this button, it will directly go to our second activity and it will receive this text over there, and it will show in our text view. So here you can see that our message has been displayed over here in our second text view, in our second activity. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.